Namaste everyone, my name is Smit Tyagi. I am working as head physiotherapist in Columbia Asia Hospital, Palam Vihar. As we all know that our country is going through COVID pandemic and lot of patients are suffering with breathing related issues. Today I am going to talk about what a COVID patient can do as a post-COVID rehab. So there are few exercises which we can do at home once a patient gets discharged from the hospital. Number one, we keep our hand crisscross over our chest. Now you inhale and make sure that your chest will move like this. When you inhale, the chest should move upwards, and when you exhale, it should go to the lowest. Repeat this 8 to 10 times, 3 times a day. Now the second exercise is abdominal breathing. What we need to do is, we keep our hand over the abdomen. Now we make sure when we inhale, the stomach needs to go up and down, like so. As you can see, when I am breathing in, my hands are going up. When I am breathing out, the hands are going in. So this is how you do abdominal breathing. Please repeat 8 to 10 times, 3 times a day. So the next exercise is the lateral costal breathing. What we do in this exercise, we keep our hands over the lateral part of our abdomen. So now when we inhale in, we make sure that my hands will go up and down like this. While exhaling, I'll put a gentle push at the end of it. Please repeat 8 to 10 times, 3 times in a day. The next exercise is when you can do breathing exercises with the hands or the shoulder movement. In first exercise, what you can do is keep your hand in a namaste position. Now you inhale and take your hands to the sides like when I'm breathing in, my hands are going away. In this process, I'm inhaling a lot of air inside, and at the same time, I'm opening my chest wall. When I'm exhaling, I'm making sure that chest wall expansion goes back to 0. The next exercise we can do with the arms is when you sit or stand in a position and then inhale up and down, up and down. So both these exercises need to be repeated 8 to 10 times, 3 times a day. Next exercise is single breath count exercise. What you do in this exercise, you sit in a comfortable position. Now you inhale in and hold the breath for 8 to 10 seconds, like and slowly exhale. Again. Repeat this exercise 8 to 10 times, 2 or 3 times in a day. Next exercise is huffing and coughing. In this exercise, you sit comfortably, inhale big from the nose and do huffing like so. In this exercise, you can note down there will be a rapid movement of your abdomen while doing the same. Next exercise you can do with your spirometer. In this exercise, you hold the spirometer in an upright position in your mouth, then you inhale, make sure all the 3 balls will go up, hold it if you can, and then slowly let it go. If you turn this upside down, You exhale into the pipe attached with the spirometer and make sure at least 2 balls will go up. In this exercise, you will get a visual feedback of how much pressure you are putting in while doing breathing in and out. Also, please don't forget to do steaming at home. Use a commonly found steamer at home and do at least 2 to 3 times in a day. Thank you and good luck.